Know what it's like on this channel. It's application and then blending separate because I want to really keep it simple for you guys so that you can get the most pro results easily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about educational beauty. In today's video, I'm going to show you an eye look which is only going to take you 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute smoky eye that anyone can do. It's so easy and it's not overly complicated. It's just easy and I know you guys are going to love it. Now, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. And I'm over on Instagram, so don't forget to come say hi there too. Let's head straight into the video. When I decided to do this look, I kind of like slowly became a little bit more excited about it because I haven't worn a black smoky eye for years. And then when I started to think about, right, how can I make this really easy and quick for you guys so that you can create it too, but it's just generally easy, but it looks so amazing on. And it's these little touches that make it kind of push it that little bit further. I want to keep it real with you guys. I'm not going to work with powder eyeshadows today. I am a little bit, but not really as the main base, because that isn't going to make it any easy for you. And I really want this to be easy for you. So I'm going to be using a black pencil, and this pencil is going to be really easy to blend for you. It's actually the Nude Sticks Magnetic Matte Eye Color. It's really easy to blend. This isn't kind of like a timed video or anything because I really want you guys to learn this so that you can do it in 5 minutes. You know, me showing you is me not really explaining to you if I tried to do it in 5 minutes. So we're going to keep it to just general, you know, like detailed explanation, but it is a very quick eye look, and you'll probably see that when I do the other eye, because the first one I'll kind of like explain and talk through it. We've got this pencil. Now what we're going to do is we are going to like draw this, like literally fill in our entire lid, and we've got another brush ready. The brush that I'm going to be using is a Sigma E55 brush. By the way, you can get 10% discount off of all Sigma beauty products with my code, which is in the description below. Just click on the link and it'll take you through there. You can use the code NinaUbi10 and anything on Sigma Beauty, and yeah, you're going to get some amazing products. So okay, I'm going to use this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my entire lid. Now just to explain what area is what so you understand like the structure of the eye. This is the socket here. So the eye part which indents in, like kind of goes above the ball of your eye and goes in, is basically your socket. That is your socket there. We're not going to go above there with our application. You know what it's like on this channel. It's application and then blending separate because I want to really keep it simple for you guys so that you can get the most pro results easily. So okay, we're going to cover this entire lid. We're going to just fully color it in. So let's go straight in. And you can see I'm really kind of filling this whole area, and it's a really nice black. Not that, you know, you get a big selection of black shades, but you know, it's good pigment. Okay, it doesn't have to be super neat. You can see that isn't like really neat, but it's covering my entire lid, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with this brush. There's nothing on this brush, and all we're gonna do is start blending the edges. Don't worry about this center section because that's nice and kind of even, right? We don't need to touch that. Using the tip, and I'm pressing and flicking. And we're going to go all the way across before anything kind of dries up, and then keep going across so we're kind of like perfecting it. And we're pressing and flicking up. That's all I'm doing, all the way across. Now this bit here, I don't want this to go down. I want this to kind of like go up. So you got to think about what direction you're flicking, right? We've roughly kind of like cleaned up those edges. We're going to go in with another brush. This is the Zoeva 231 brush, nothing on this brush. And now this is where we're going to basically, we're pressing and flicking again, but not upwards. We're kind of like pressing and flicking to the side. Okay, now what I'm doing, taking this brush, I'm just gonna go back and forth like this, but I'm skimming on the skin, so it's not actually pressing very hard. I'm taking it kind of up. You can see I'm going back and forth, just sliding the brush side to side. And all I'm doing is softening everywhere where basically the edges are. And you can see that it's slowly softening the edges. I'm gonna just drag this up a bit. And again, like I said, it's really important how hard you're pressing on the skin. I'm not pressing hard at all, I'm just skimming. Now I feel like the edges are started to kind of like diffuse. So you can see there's no harsh edges. What I'm going to do now is I am going to just add a little bit at the bottom. So I'm actually pressing it into the lashes. Again, it's not clean at all. And I'm gonna, as in like it's messy. And I'm gonna go in with this brush, the Sigma brush, go back and forth. We're going to go back in with that other brush. We're just going side to side and it's just going to diffuse the edges again. Again, not putting anything extra on this brush. That's basically the smoky eye done, but we are going to add something because I want to give it that pop. I'm going to use my Byredo Flora Kalahari eyeshadow palette. It's honestly the most stunning palette. It's so nice. It's just, and there's no fallout from this. Well, from what I know from when I kind of swatched it. And it's just really velvety, buttery, the eyeshadows. They're just like really pressed in nicely. I'm wondering what color I should use because I don't want to go for the obvious and maybe go for like a teal color. So I'm thinking maybe I go for like a brick color. So, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get this kind of like really nice brick color, get it on my finger. So I've got a whole load there on my finger. And now this is where I'm going to just press it right in the middle of my eyelid here. And it's kind of like you can see that color really coming through and I'm just pressing it. Don't worry about like the edges of it yet because we'll sort that out in a sec. Basically, we've got this pop of color. Wow, that looks so amazing against black. Just gonna get that Sigma brush again and basically all I'm doing is just dragging that eyeshadow so that the edges look nicely kind of blended into the black. I'm using the YSL Lash Clash mascara and all we're literally going to do now is just put a layer of mascara on. You can put some like false lashes on if you want, but honestly I feel like with a look like this, false lashes just kind of, they get hidden and also it just blacks out the entire eye. So I feel like with this you can see the really nice pop of colour come through and just a little bit on the lower lashes. And that basically is that smoky eye done. It's super easy and I can't wait for you guys to try this because I feel like it's something that, you know, you can wear on a night out or if you've got like a big event, you can wear it and it isn't going to be difficult for you. If you use the right textures, that's how you can make it into a 5-minute eye. So it's just something that I think is really easy to follow and I know you guys are going to be able to create this. So I'm just doing the other eye now. You got to move quick with the brushes, by the way, because obviously you want it to be easy enough to blend. Do you see how there's no fallout? Like, that's what I love about this look. Like, you can do your entire base and then just do your eye look and it's a full-on heavy smoky eye. Sometimes I feel like this kind of look looks so nice when you just don't have too much else going on. And I know like maybe some people are like, you know, you've got a full base on, which that's just my style. But even for you guys, like even if you don't wear like too much foundation, you can still do this type of look. And I feel like it looks nice. It's a bit more kind of like out there, but I do think it's something that looks amazing once your hair's done and once you're dressed up. And yeah, I really do think it's something that you guys should try. And I really want to see some recreations of this. So make sure you tag me on Instagram so that I can see it. Yeah, so hopefully this is going to make you try something a little bit more different. I hope you've seen it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. All you need to do is practice and trust me, you'll be doing that in no time. Now, if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care and I'll see you soon.